Hello everyone. Topic is searching in an M-way search tree from advanced data structures. This structure extends the idea of binary search trees by allowing multiple keys and multiple children per node, enabling faster and more efficient searching. In this lecture, we will understand how the search operation works, why it reduces search time, and how it lays the foundation for advanced tree structures. Let us begin. Now, let us understand about M-way search tree is. An M-way search tree is a generalization of the binary search tree, where each node is not limited to just two children. Instead, a node can store up to m-1 keys and can have m children. All the keys within a node are maintained in sorted order, which allows the search space to be divided efficiently into multiple ranges. Based on the value being searched, we move to the appropriate child node. Because of this multi-key and multi-branch structure, M-way search trees are widely used in database indexing and file systems, where fast and scalable search operations are required. This structure significantly reduces tree height and improves overall search performance. When coming to this slide, examine the structure of an M-way search tree. Each node in an M-way search tree contains a sorted list of keys, represented as K1 less than K2 and so on up to Km-1. Along with these keys, the node maintains corresponding child pointers, labeled C0, C1, up to Cm. These keys divide the search space into multiple ordered intervals. During a search operation, comparisons within a single node determine exactly which child pointer must be followed next. When compared to binary search trees, this multi-key structure significantly reduces the height of the tree. The key insight to remember is this: more keys per node lead to fewer tree levels, and fewer levels directly translate into faster search operations. Let us now discuss the searching mechanism in an M-way search tree. The search process always begins at the root node. At each node, the target key is compared with the keys stored in that node, which are already maintained in sorted order. If the target key matches one of the keys, the search is immediately successful. If there is no match, we determine the correct key range and move to the corresponding child pointer. This process is repeated level by level until the key is found or a null child pointer is reached, indicating an unsuccessful search. The decision logic is straightforward. If the key is less than K1, we move to child C0. If the key lies between Ki and Ki+1, we move to child Ci. If the key is greater than K-1, we move to child Cm. This systematic comparison ensures efficient navigation through the tree. Now understand the search operation through an example. Assume the order of the M-way search tree is m equals 4. This means each node can contain a maximum of 3 keys and 4 children. In the given tree, the root node contains the keys 20, 40, and 60. These keys divide the search space into 4 ranges: values less than 20, between 20 and 1940, between 40 and 60, and values greater than 60. The corresponding child nodes contain the keys 10, 30, 50, and 70, respectively. Now, during a search operation, the target key is first compared with the keys at the root. Based on the interval in which the key falls, the search moves to the appropriate child node. This process continues until the key is found or a leaf node is reached. This example clearly demonstrates how multiple keys in a single node efficiently guide the search process and reduce unnecessary comparisons. Let us now walk through this search example step by step. The search key is 45. We begin at the root node, which contains the keys 20, 40, and 60. First, we compare the target key with the keys in the root node. We observe that 45 is greater than 40 and less than 60. This tells us that the key must lie in the range 40 to 60. Based on this comparison, we move to the third child of the root node, which corresponds to the interval 40 to 60. At this level, we reach the node containing the key 50. Since 45 does not match 50, and there is no further child node to continue the search operation terminates here. Therefore, the search for key 45 is unsuccessful. This example clearly illustrates how an M-way search tree uses multiple keys within a node to efficiently guide the search path and minimize unnecessary traversal. Let us conclude by analyzing the time complexity and performance of the M-way search tree. In the average case, the search time complexity is O of log base m of n, where increasing the value of m directly reduces the height of the tree. In the worst case, if the tree becomes highly skewed, the time complexity can degrade to O of n. However, such cases are rare in well-structured systems. A higher order M-way search tree, meaning a larger value of m, results in a significantly lower tree height. This directly leads to fewer disk accesses, which is a critical performance factor in database systems and large-scale storage environments. When compared to binary search trees, M-way search trees clearly outperform for large datasets, both in terms of efficiency and scalability. With this, we complete our discussion on searching in M-way search trees. This concept forms the foundation for advanced structures such as B-trees and B-plus trees, which we will explore in subsequent lectures.